Hello everyone, and how is it going? I hope your day is treating you right. Chris here, to Trade, bringing you 4 more areas off of my charts that I'm going to watch as I trade, and I'm going to tell you why. Let's take a look at crude oil today, and we're going to go down 3 lines to 75.10. This is an area that most recently the market has used as support, stopping another bearish attempt. We are bouncing up off of this, finding a little bit of trouble at present at the time of this video, but going to keep my eyes on it. If we break it, if we lose it, my eyes drop us down not far away to 73.85. Another very interesting area, very important area of support and resistance just before that if you look way back to the left. Now up above where price is trading, we have 77.5 marked off. This is the resistance that shut down the last solid bullish attempt, even though it was very short-lived. And beyond that, if we break above that resistance at 77.5, my eyes have 79.85 marked off. It's a higher area that was used as support quite a few times recently, a lot in the past, as well as resistance. Good luck, happy trading. I'll see you all very soon.